Platform 3, last train gone, but the cafe still plays vinyl till 1. A barista counts change like metronome ticks. The milk hisses soft between languages. Suitcase open, half a man, crumbs of toast to transfer pass. I hum in time with neon signs, the only clock that keeps alive. Trumpet from the corner booth draws a line through the steam and truth. Night transit cafe, pour me another delay. Let the city breathe in 3/4 time. I'll pay with what's left of rhymes. Two tourists dance to nothing play. Spoons keep beat their hands made. A train horn lowers somewhere south. We all pretend it's not about us. Steam draws curves on window frame. Each one spells a different name. Night transit cafe, pour me another delay. If the world has left the station, let the song stay in rotation. Guitar echoes like passing cars. Spaceships lanes beneath the bars. I sip the last note till it's gray and call that hope anyway. Night transit cafe, hold the tempo, fade away. When the doors close one by one, play the intro, don't be done. Piano leans into light, trumpet waves goodnight.
The street exhales and neon sleeps. You hum a tune the city keeps. Steam curls slow from porcelain hands, and time forgets its plans. You say let's stay where silence bends. I said that's where the music ends. Evening jazz moments soft and wide. Notes drift close then slide aside. Every light a quiet chord, every breath a minor word. Yeah, yeah. Curtains sway like steady drums. The rhythm hums, the world succumbs. You lean into the half-lit sound, and everything slows down. Your voice lands late, but right on cue. The night adjusts its hue.